Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 2. It is from chapter 7 of College Physics 2E by Openstax. In this problem, we have a 75.0 kilogram person climbing the stairs, and they gain 2 meters in height, and we need to find the work done to accomplish this task. Let's start with a list of what we know. We know the mass of the person is 75 kilograms. They gain 2 meters in height. We could use either D for displacement or H for height. I'll just go with H for height. 2.00 meters. And we need to find the work done to raise the person the 2 meters. Okay, so we know we have an upward displacement, and we could say we start at 0 and we go to H, so that now our D for displacement is equal to H. And then we have an upward force, and so we can say the angle between these two vectors is 0 degrees. And now if we look at the free body diagram in the vertical, we have an upward force and we have a downward weight. The person is not accelerating up the stairs. It doesn't say anything about that, right? And so that means the force is balanced by the weight, right? We sum our forces in the vertical. And say up is the positive direction. No acceleration, so the sum of the forces is 0. So we have the upward force minus the weight is 0, so the upward force equals the weight, which is mg. Okay. Now we can use our work equation. It is the force, magnitude of the force, times the magnitude of the displacement, times the cosine of the angle between the force and displacement. Okay, so we found the force is equal to mg. The displacement is equal to h. And we have the cosine of 0 degrees, and that is 1. So for work, we end up with mgh. Okay, the mass is 75 kilograms. G is 9.8 meters per second squared. And then the h is the 2 meters. I did this calculation and I found the work was 1470 joules. If we want to be real explicit about the sig figs, we can say work is 1.47 times 10 cubed joules. It's very clear we have 3. In the 1470, without the scientific notation, that's still 3, but we don't know if the 0 counts or not. So using scientific notation makes it very clear. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.